Look at a poem from Thili Kannada, grade 7. The name of the poem is Annadata. It is written by Chennabasappa Hosamani, but he is more famously known by his pen name Satyarthi. So Anna means food and Data means provider of food. So it means farmer here. So farmers are always considered as the backbone of our country, and India is more majorly a country of agriculture. So the farmers are considered as the backbone of our country. So the food we eat is produced only by the farmers, and it is the result of their hard work and sweat. We are enjoying our food because of the results of the hard work and sweat of the farmers. The farmer, he tills the land, he sows the seeds, he waters them, he puts manure and takes care of all the crops. And finally, he distributes it to the people of the country. So many poets have praised this selfless and hardworking nature of the farmers and have always wished good and conveyed their gratitude to the farmers in most of their poems. So this is one such poem where the poet is talking about the greatness of the farmers and the sacrifice and the trouble they go through to make food for us, to produce food for us and make us happy and healthy. So now let us look at the poem. ಇವನೇ ನೋಡು ಅನ್ನದಾತ ಹೊಲದಿ ದುಡಿದೇ ದುಡಿವನು ನಾಡ ಜನರ ಬದುಕಲೆಂದು ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಬೆಳೆವನು. So let's look at the first line. ಇವನೇ ನೋಡು ಅನ್ನದಾತ. Look at him. He is only the farmer. ಹೊಲದಿ ದುಡಿದೇ ದುಡಿವನು. He always keeps working in his fields. ನಾಡ ಜನರು ಬದುಕಲೆಂದು. For the people of the country to live. Davasa dhanya belevanu. He grows grains and crops. So just a summary of the entire thing once again. Look at him. He is only the farmer. He always works in the fields. For the people of the country to live, he grows grains and pulses and gives it to the people of the country. Then ಮಳೆಯ ಗುಡುಗು ಚಳಿಯ ನಡುಗು ಬಿಸಿಲ ಬೇಗೆ ಸಹಿಸುತ್ತ ಬೆವರು ಸುರಿಸಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸಮನೆ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ಮಳೆಯ ಗುಡುಗು ಚಳಿಯ ನಡುಗು. ಮಳೆ is rain, ಗುಡುಗು is thunder. Be it thunder or rain. ಚಳಿಯ ನಡುಗು, be it the cold winters where you are always shivering. Or bisila bege, or the summer's heat. Sahisuta, he tolerates all of this. He tolerates all of the conditions, climatic conditions. And bevaru surisi kashta sahisi, he keeps sweating and works in difficulty. Onde samane dudiyuta, and always he works. So irrespective of the kind of conditions, he is always there in his fields and he is always working. Then gatti deha dodda manasu devarinda padedanu yogiyagi tyagiyagi anna needutiruvanu. Gatti deha dodda manasu means he has got a strong body and a big heart. He is so generous. His heart is so generous. He has a strong body. Devaninda padedanu. This is all God given to him. Yogiyagi tyagiyagi anna needu tiruvanu. Yogi is saint-like. Tyagi, he is doing so much of sacrifice. He is so selfless, doesn't think about his comfort. He is always working to, and he is not working for himself. He is being very generous, because whatever he does, he is distributing it to the people of the country. So he's like a saint who doesn't think about himself. He thinks about the goodwill of everybody else and keeps providing us food. Then ettu eradu avana jodu ಕೂಡಿ ದುಡಿವ ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಹಿಗ್ಗು ಕುಗ್ಗು ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡು ನಡೆವರು. ಎತ್ತು ಎರಡು ಅವನ ಜೋಡು, the ox. If you see in the picture, there's a picture of two ox. So they are always his companions. ಕೂಡಿ ದುಡಿಗ ಗೆಳೆಯರು, they are friends who also work hard along with him. ಹಿಗ್ಗು ಕುಗ್ಗು ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, be it happy or sad moments, ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡು ನಡೆವರು, they are always with the farmer. Whatever happens, whether it's good things or bad things, they are always his companions and are always there with him together.